Hey guys, welcome back to Starmax Energy. This is Anya. In my previous video, I showed you guys the solution for the Mitsubishi i-MiEV, Peugeot IN610, Renault ZE with the EV50 8Ah lithium-ion battery and the block to replace the LEV50. And there have some guys asked, no, I don't like this solution because this capacity only 50 Ah, but I need more higher capacity to make a long drive range. Here we have the solution for 30 kWh by the CATL 93Ah lithium-ion battery cell, which you need to buy the 88 pieces to replace the original of LEV50. For the CATL 93Ah lithium-ion battery, we have different solutions for the starter. Yes, the M8, the M6, M8, customized M8. And recently they have another customer who gets a new solution for the starter. So I'd like to share with you guys about it. Okay, follow my video to see the different solutions and which one you are preferred. Okay, here is the details of the CATL 93Ah. First, this is the original CATL brand new cell from the CATL. You can see the details of cell very new. And this one is already added the M8 starter. This is the M8 starter. And this one is the original LEV50. From the size, we will know that for CATL 93Ah, the thickness, the length is the same as the LEV50, the same size at 44 mm in thickness, 173 in length. And for the height of the cell, actually they have a little bit difference here. So some of customers, they will add some block to lift the battery cell up. Yes. For the starter, we have different solutions. This is the M8 solutions. And we can also add the M8 starter with the tape. Yes, you can see that is to put here. Because for the original one, you can see they'll have the tape with the M3 hole, to lock the BMS wire. For this solution, we have customer consider the standard is not very durable, and the material of this one is the aluminum and this is the iron with tin, so it is not good for current conductivity, and they choose another solution, which is to laser welding the M8 starter and designed this tab. This is with the nickel copper plate and to add on the top of the cell with this design. So for this design, if you compare with the original, and it is also with the M3 hole, and in another side is with this tab. Okay, like this way. So it is the similar design as the original one. Okay, another side we can put another starter here. So if we compare to the tab design with the starter design, we will see the difference that is the plate material. This is the aluminum and this is the copper. The advantage of the copper, I think most of you guys will know that more better conductivity and more durable for a long time. And you guys may ask, why you not to design this starter as the copper? Then there's no need to add the tab, to add the M8 starter. The answer that is, the battery pole design, this material is aluminum, and this one is also the aluminum. And the solder joints of copper are higher than the aluminum, which means you cannot laser welding the cooper together with the original of battery cell. This is the main point. So in this situation, our customer made a design like this way. It can be more better compared to this one in customer's thought. And you can compare with the original one with the new design. Laser welding the M8 standard first and add a tab here. And then lock the bus bar and with the screws like this way. Yeah, then you will see why customer design like this way. Because you can see when the current passes from the battery cell, the bus bar contacts with this cooper directly, so it can pass more higher of the current. And if compared to this one, firstly is the durable of the standard. Customer consider this cannot be as durable as this design. And the second is the current pass. This it will be more better. And the third is the cooper durability is better than the aluminum with the iron. Yes, this is the current design of the 93 Ah lithium battery cell for the LEV50 replacement. Okay, above is the standard solution for the CATL 93Ah lithium-ion battery. Starmax have the ability for customers to customize the different standard, different design, different bus bar, all available in our factory because we offer the best solution and the best service for our customer who need the lithium-ion battery. If you want to know more details information about the CATL 93Ah lithium-ion battery, you can contact with us freely. Here I'd like to kindly remind that is the market have so many used CATL 93Ah. Such used battery cell, the cost is around $20. So if you guys are looking for used battery cell, do not pay more cost than this price. But we suggest the customer to buy is the new battery cell because this cell is for your electric car. The more important point that is the safety. Okay, thank you for you guys watching today's video and see you next video. I'm Anya. See you next time. Bye bye.